If you've been wanting to learn artificial intelligence for free, this is your sign. Google is offering some of the best AI courses of 2025, from beginner to expert level, with certificates you can proudly show on your CV or LinkedIn. Let's get right into it. First up, we have Google's Machine Learning Crash Course. This is completely free and beginner friendly. Here, you learn through 25 lessons and 30 plus hands-on exercises, including TensorFlow training and real-world case studies. The duration is around 15 hours. It is 100% free, and it is perfect for beginners who want a strong foundation in machine learning. The next one is Google AI Essentials on Coursera. It is a professional level program that covers AI fundamentals, productivity hacks, prompt mastery, and responsible AI use. The duration is around 10 to 15 hours. It is free for 7 days. Then, after the trial, you'll be made to pay $49 a month. This is great for anyone who wants to use AI tools to boost productivity. At number 3, we have Google's 5-day AI Agents Intensive, happening from November 10th to 14th, 2025. It is completely free and features live sessions with Google engineers, AI agent building, and a capstone project with prizes. It is ideal for developers and professionals who want cutting-edge AI skills. The fourth one is the Introduction to Generative AI Path. It is a short and simple program that introduces you to Google Cloud AI tools. You learn skills badges as you go. The duration is 3 to 4 hours. It is free of cost, and it is best for those who want a quick overview of how AI works with Google Cloud. Finally, on number 5, we have the Google Career Certificate with AI training. These are professional programs designed to get you job ready in fields like data analytics, project management, and UX design, which is now enhanced with AI models. The duration is between 3 to 6 months. It is $49 a month after trial, and it is perfect for career changers looking for recognized credentials. So, whether you are a student, freelancer, or professional, these Google AI courses are your gateway into the future of work. Start learning, earn your certificate, and level up your career today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video so others can benefit too. Thanks very much, and see you in the next one.